Welcome to the Hydroponic Day 4/5 update of our Romaine and Buttercrunch lettuce. So that is awesome sauce. Kind of some cool stuff. Yesterday we culled the plants on the Romaine lettuce tank, which is our left one. So it should just be one, and they should be all centralized now. There is only one grow dome remaining in the whole setup. So hopefully that one is germinated today, so that's some stuff to look forwards to. Other than that, everything's starting to get into kind of cool stages, and we'll check for some roots today. Anyways, without much further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so starting off with our CO2 ppm, we're running at 528, 24 degrees Celsius, and 58% humidity. So about the same as yesterday, which is pretty normal. As you can see, we do have some plants coming up on the romaine lettuce. And there's actually stuff coming up in the Buttercrunch as well. It's a little harder to see in that back one, but this is the one that we're curious about. Anyways, let me graph those and let's get into the opening this up. Okay, so with it open, as you can see, all three are sprouting well. Oh, we already have root activity. You guys see that? That's awesome. Let's see if this one has any. Yep, it does. And then our furthest back one. It does as well. That is really neat. I didn't expect it this early. On the right tank, a little root, yes. Very tiny. No germination from this one yet. So there are three plants in this one, as you can see, 3 roots. So I'm just going to transplant one to here. Anyways, let's get into the measurements, because we are running out of time. Right tank, pH, we're running at 6.14. Let's get into ppm and EC. ppm is 980, EC is 1960, and temperature is 24.3 degrees Celsius. On to the left tank. pH is running at a 6.32. I apologize, it's hard to see. On to the ppm and EC. Alright, ppm is 1068, EC is 2136, and temperature is 24.5 degrees Celsius. Alright, let's check our graphs. Okay, so on the right tank, we've got pretty consistent temperature, humidity, CO2. However, pH is flatlined, which is showing an equalization, but the ppm is dropping, and the EC, which are correlated, which makes me think it's indicated to roots. A similar thing's happening in the left tank. Yes, that is a decrease, very gradual though, and the EC is doing it as well. However, the pH is actually rising on this tank, so kind of interesting. But yeah, here's your left tank. Here's the right, and I'll show you guys a sneak peek of the transplant. Here's your sneak peek. Enjoy!